Hi, I'm Siobhan, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the National Institutes of Health, where I'm cultivating new ways to nurture the mind and body through science. So think of the brain as a garden. Just like plants need sunlight and water to thrive, our brains rely on activities that engage and challenge them. My research explores how cooking, a hands-on activity that uses all five of our senses, can act as a kind of fertilizer for the brain, helping both children and adults recover from stressful or traumatic events that occurred early in their lives. Using a technology called an electroencephalogram, or EEG for short, I examined brain activity to learn how cooking influences brain pathways involved in focus, stress regulation, and emotional well-being. It's kind of like figuring out how different nutrients affect the plant's growth. By combining brain science with the creativity of the kitchen, I aim to uncover how everyday tasks like cooking can serve as therapies for people with mental health struggles caused by early life troubles. So whether it's the satisfaction of kneading dough or the focus required to chop vegetables, each action involved in cooking may help strengthen the brain's roots, fostering growth and recovery. So the next time you step into the kitchen, imagine how the small acts of care that you put into feeding your body might also nourish your mind and the minds of those who need it most.